Okay, let's saute our onions and our basil. Alright, we're going to cook this down nicely. Let these flavors blend together. I'll be right back with you. Now we're going to add our ground beef. Alright, let's cook this fully. We want to cook this fully. Alright. We're going to season our meat some more now, okay? This is a little chili pepper, chili powder. This is some black pepper, and some salt. And we're going to mix all that together as the meat is still cooking fully. We want the meat to cook fully through. It's coming nice. See all the red? It's still just a little pink. We want to cook all that out. We want to get all that pink out of there. Oh, it's looking great. It smells delicious. Look at that. Blended nicely. This is what we want. Let's cook it till there's no more pink and no more red. Okay? Okay, we're going to cover it at a low temperature just for 5-10 minutes, okay? Just so it's fully cooked. We just want to make sure our beef is fully cooked. So we're going to cover it 5-10 minutes at a low temperature. We'll be right back. Wow, that looks great, guys. As you can see, we had a nice lean meat, not a lot of fat. If you have more fat than this, you can definitely pour it off if you'd like to do that. But in this case, we don't have a lot of fat. If you see this, this is great. We're going to keep everything right here. Okay, let's get some fresh garlic in here. Oh, wow. Yes, indeed. Okay. Let's get our tomato sauce in here. Oh, wow. That's wonderful. Just blend all that in. Okay? Just blend all that in. Wonderful. Wonderful. I'm going to get that all in there. Oh, that's great. This is what we want. All right, look at that. That's perfect. Now we're going to add our potatoes. Yes. We're going to let this cook nice and slow. Okay? We're going to let all these flavors come together. And we're just going to let it sit here and cook nice and slow and get all the flavors in there. Oh boy, this is great. I just want to incorporate all these nice potatoes, and we're going to let this come to a simmer. We're going to let this cook for a nice 15-20 minutes, okay? So the potatoes are nice and tender, okay? And then we're going to come back. All right. We're going to give it a nice cover. Excellent. We're going to come right back. All right, guys. All right, I can see from here. Wow, look at that. Oh my, that looks great. See the potatoes are nice and tender. Let's give it a taste, and we want to see if there's where we want it. That's the best part.